I want you to teach me Igbo language.
You want me to teach you Igbo language? Does it mean you don't know how to speak Igbo language?
No, because if my mother catch me speaking Igbo, she's going to flog me.
Who does that? Wait. If your mother catch you speaking Igbo language, she will flog you.
Child!
Why? Are you people not Igbo?
Yes, my mother said that we are Igbo.
Not Igbo. Igbo. Say Igbo. Igbo. Not Igbo. Okay? Good. But wait a minute. Why would your mother stop you from learning your mother tongue, which is the number one thing she should teach you? Why is she restricting you people from, or you particularly, from speaking your mother tongue?
Because if she catch me speaking Igbo language, she's going to flog me.
Why? You don't know. Ha! Hey. This is serious. Okay. Why do you want me to teach you Igbo language?
Because in school, Yoruba people, they communicate with their language, and Hausa, they communicate with their own language. And I am an Igbo person, but I don't know how to speak Igbo.
Oh my dear, this is too bad. I feel your pain, my dear. In fact, for you to take this step alone, that shows you have Igbo blood in you. Because anybody who wants people, anybody that is from Igbo tribe, we always strive for good things. As a fighting with the woman. For you to make this step, for you to come to me, for you to say you want to learn Igbo language, that shows you are an Igbo person. I will help you. Even children that are born in London, they all speak Igbo. This one of our brother, the CIO in London. The wife is a white woman, but all their children are speaking Igbo. Even they live in London. Your mother is not doing well. What's that? Head issue. I'm going to teach you parts of body. Let's start with the head. You know, as we progress, I'll be teaching you. Thank God I'm now your security man. I'm not going unless she chases me away. Even if she chases me away, I will still find a way to come back. I must make sure I teach you Igbo language. Head issue.
Head issue.
Hair ntutu.
Hair ntutu.
Good. Head issue.
Head issue.
Hair ntutu.
Hair ntutu.
Nti.
Nti.
That is your ear. Nti.
Nti.
Imi.
Imi.
Anya.
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 Mpupu anya.
Mpupu anya.
Or some people call it ntutu anya. Okay? Mouth ono.
Mouth ono.
Lips mgbịrịgba ọnụ.
Lips mgbịrịgba ọnụ.
Mgbịrịgba.
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 Good. Make it like a sound. Mgbịrịgba.
Mgbịrịgba.
Good. Mgbịrịgba ọnụ.
Mgbịrịgba ọnụ.
Good. Eze.
Eze.
Anyị eze ya the gum.
Anyị eze.
Ire.
Ire.
Tongue. Ire.
Tongue. Ire.
Can you do what I just say it? Let me hear.
Head ishi.
Good.
Head ntutu.
Ntutu.
Ntutu. Yeah, nti. Eye anya.
Anya.
Ntutu anya.
Good.
Imi. Ọnụ. Eze. Mgbịrịgba ọnụ.
Good. Give me 5. Now, chest obi.
Chest obi.
Neck olu.
Neck olu.
Nkolo.
Nkolo.
Nkolo, the throat, the one inside, that is your nkolo. Say nkolo.
Nkolo.
Igbo national. Some Igbo people have different names for different parts of the body, but the ones I'm teaching you now are Central Igbo. nya Igbo nzube, nya Igbo zuru ogbo, nya general Igbo.
Igbo nzube.
Good. Then aka.
Aka.
Isi nkukwa aka.
Isi nkukwa aka. But wait, there's one question.
Okay.
This is Isi. Then how come there's another Isi here?
You're a very smart boy. That shows you will learn very fast. This is Isi. Then this is Isi nkukwa aka. You see, this is the joint. This is the place that joins this place and this place. So this is the head of the two. Your muzzle and your arms. You want to go? This is where that is the reason they call it Ishi nkukwa aka. Aka ginka na aka ginka. Hanile nga wishia. You see, that is why they call it Ishi nkukwa aka. Say Ishi nkukwa aka.
Isi nkukwa aka.
Ishi nkukwa aka.
Ishi nkukwa aka.
Ishi nkukwa aka.
Hey, hello.
Madam, no.
No.
What? Did you just tell me name no? Who is name?
Madam, no. Welcome.
Don't do that.
You be Mumu.
Really? Am I that old that you're calling me name?
Madam,
Excuse me. Say, mommy, welcome. Now.
Mommy, welcome.
Better. Now. Mr. Getman, what are you doing with my son?
Madam, I'm not doing anything wrong with your son. I just did teach him. In fact, I'm because someone can say motive.
It's bad enough that you're calling me name. And it's even evil that you're teaching my son Igbo language.
Continue.
Don't call me name again.
But madam, we're a mother.
Say it in English.
How?
Stop teaching my son Igbo.
Madam, it's not Igbo. It is Igbo.
If you must teach him a language, teach him French or Germany, la confrère.
Hey!
Senopal.
Hey!
You know?
I saw your French. Oh.
Well, I'm planning on taking him abroad, so I need him to.
Even if at that, madam, can I help get no more shine maybe show budai. Even if you want to take him to the extreme end of world or the extreme of this planet, even if you want to take him to the extreme, when the name is extreme end or English or what nation, so even if you want to take him to the moon, first of all, his mother tongue should be his identity.
Continue.
Look at in the Chinese. Upon big companies, think when China will get go to a big company now supply a lot of things. Oma has English, mother tongue, his main number one. Okay, like your son said, you run a school, and they Yoruba now communicate. Now communicate, but only him that cannot represent his tribe. All the very wrong.
Excuse me. Those people are local, and I will change him from that school. You're not going there again. They're speaking their language, and you are learning. I can't have my son speak Igbo. I can't. He will not speak Igbo. Besides, what is this Igbo? What is he going to bring to him? What is it going to represent or whatever?
Madam, it has a lot of things to bring to him in the future.
Oh, I see.
Yes! He has a lot of things to bring to him in the future. Okay, when you must have finished your duty on earth and you left, if you are a politician, you are a company owner, you are this, you are that, how would your son represent his father here? If maybe I see him be a local government chairman. Okay, governor of Enugu State.
Excuse me, that is local. That is still, you're still going to the local level. No, my son is going to be a president. He's going to be a House of Rep member or a senator. He's not doing anything local.
Even if your son wants to be Jesus Christ of Nazareth,
Continue.
you must represent that tongue. Before you can win an election within that locality, you must know how to speak. Now, governor, president, don't they know how to speak their mother tongue? Even if you want your son to learn German, learn London, learn this, learn that, he still need to speak his mother tongue. Go to London. Chief Onomon, the CIO. When you were nyocha. Ile ochandocha ka hamu. Mana wo bara Igbo no. Umaka ni na su Igbo na arachasi Igbo. Ga London eji mo no. People na agbaka elele ha because ahụ ụmụ ndocha papa ha wo Igbo. Ha na asụkwa Igbo. Upon say their mother wo nyocha. Give your hair name and posh. I'm not going to make English. English is very, very good. But it is only when you see people that doesn't speak English, and then I want your tribe. Give with English, when you have mutual communication. Opera give one you be again day, you not three Igbo. Not gonna say a beke. Marginal bish na Igbo. When you bake you.
That one. I'll warn you. Oh, sorry.
You be mumu.
Well, let me just chip it in a little. I'll warn you, Brady, baby. You know, being local government.
Hey!
Why are you screaming?
There's been a wolf for dirty. Obi Kengwa.
Yes.
Or would there's them Wanyangwa? Come on, Urobi, ya with the inside. Kishi. Ne more take a Kishina India.
Because you my jaw.
Jesus!
Ha, Lily did a song. That was in Wamibo. Oji Jebol.
They have left you behind.
Ndobeka India. Weswa. One my gay Swibo, Dio Bojiaga. I didn't know him de Kaubo. I didn't know him de Waubo. Oh, sorry. Like I was saying, sorry, I don't want to chip that in. Well, my child, my son, is not going to learn your Igbo. Okay? Yeah, I just chipped just a little in for you. Okay? Junior, no Igbo for you. Get in. And please, let your job be at the gate.
Continue.
Alright? Keep your Igbo to yourself. Okay? Do I make myself clear? This way, please, young man. Igbo. Keep it to yourself.
Hey! When you're a reverend sister. You know what? Igbo local. I was in a foreign woman. Because he kotrancha. Then Chago Magahana chuncha. Give a foreign woman. With the Abu British on your chap Igenishi. Chefoni Upugia under it or local hair.
Continue.
Mpupani Bunanya, war Mpupanya Iqui. Nagiwa Puquia, the remaining one for the local Mpupanya. From your mother, that is what it means by local. Oh, being go kish. And you are restricting your child from speaking his mother tongue.
Child.
You are a fool. Sorry for you. And every mother that does not teach their children their mother tongue. And though your children should go to school and learn how to speak English. How bataru nulo? Ha gi go say had the identity. Kuziera had their own identity. Ha putecha sigi iwonye ebe, aumonye owere, aumonye Enugu, aumonye onye Nanka, aumonye Umunze, aumonye Anambra, aumonye Obingwa.
Continue.
Get the proud of where you are from. All the keep tagine emegote, emega like this. Onye bi n'ora atalekwa n'ora ato were here kwa. Kwesiri di na-eri Igbo, ụmụachiri ha so Igbo ta marasi yes, ụmụaja na-arachi Igbo. He got buggy abroad. This is opportunity for him to learn how to speak his mother tongue before now, because up on neighbor and I forget it. You could hear from even some people never have here to come and learn, and he wants everything to disappear from his mouth. He don't want him to be up like mama. Tata biangonara, madam, consac breast. I'm not gonna bali.
Child.
One day we went for shaggy here till Nanya. I will not blame your husband because I know Honolo. He's always traveling. But I am blaming you as a mother. Ogma kwesịrị ịrụ ọrụ arụ ya arụzie ya ma mgbola digi bịakwara ya tụkwasa n'elu nke ịrụ arụ. Then you Igbo ga-adị o onye ọbụla si Igbo agaghị adị oge eji ala zere mmiri